Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2010 Honda Fury 1300. This factory style chopper is in great shape still. Does have a couple of minor cosmetic imperfections on it, but does have a lot of nice gear on it. So let's take our walk around it. It's got a little over 19,000 miles, and we'll show you what we've got, what we found, and then we'll fire it up for you. This factory-built chopper, like I said, has overall been very well taken care of. Comes in a matte finish. Tires on it, still in great shape. Plenty of miles left on those. It comes with a LED headlight, the lower air dam, a clear windscreen, convertible driver's pegs, pedals, an FSD pipe, passenger pegs, grips, got a small little dent here in the rear fender. You can kind of make it out there, as well as one in the tank here. But like I said, they're cosmetic. It also has a integrated tail on it, a 240 rear tire, and a small scrape here on this side of the rear fender. Aftermarket passenger pegs as well. Still a nice, sharp-looking chopper. Alright, show you those miles now. 19,182 is what's on it. This Honda Fury will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, more accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.